Standard 7 Geography Chapter 1 How Seasons Occur Part 1 Let us recall. How do day and night occur on the earth? What term is used to describe the earth's revolution around the sun? How long does the earth take to do so? In which hemispheres is our country located? Why don't the sun's rays fall perpendicular at all the places on the earth? Can you tell? Note the timings of sunrise and sunset in your area for the following period by direct observation or using calendars, newspapers, or the internet. A specimen table has been given below. Record the entries for the month of June. Find the answers to the following questions and discuss them. Among the records in the table, which is the longest day? What difference do you notice in the duration of the nights day by day? Guess the reason behind it. How did you find out the duration of the night? Which two dates had days and nights of the same duration? With the help of the table, you saw how the duration of the day and the night changes. Do you think such a change occurs everywhere on the earth? Geographical explanation. You must have noticed the change in the duration of daytime and the nighttime from 90th to 20th June. It takes 24 hours for the earth to rotate around itself. It rotates from the west to east. The earth's rotation has enabled us to measure time in terms of days. During a single day, we experience different stages like sunrise, midday, sunset, as well as daytime
Paste
and
a
nighttime.
large white paper
To
on one
understand
side
the
of the
changes
table.
in the locations of sunrise
Place a
and
torch
sunset
in front
on
of
the
the
horizon
table.
in such
Let
a
us
way that
carry out
it wouldn't
the
move.
activity.
Stand
Try
a
this.
rod or a
Paste
candle
a large
between
white
the white
paper on
and
one
the
side
torch.
of the table.
See figure 1.1.
Place a torch in front of the
Direct
table
the beam
in
of the
such a way
torch
that
in
it
such a way
wouldn't
that the
move.
shadow of the rod or candle
Stand a rod
falls on
or
the
a candle
paper.
between the white paper
Mark the
and the
position of the
torch.
shadow on the
Direct
paper.
the beam of the torch in
Move the
such a way
table
that the
along
shadow
with the
of the
rod
rod
or candle
falls on the paper.
from one side to the other.
Mark the
slowly.
position of the shadow on the
Observe
paper.
and mark the position
Move
of
the
the
table
shadow
along
along
with
with
the
the
rod
rod on the paper or candle.
From this
Note
activity
the
from
change
one side
you
to
will
the
realize
other
that
slowly.
as the position of the table
Observe
changes
and mark the
position of the shadow also
that
changes.
falls on the paper.
If the positions of
Note
the
the
sunrise
change
and
in
the
the
location
sunset
of the
on
shadow
the
horizon are observed for the whole
Geographical
year,
explanation.
you will realize that
From this
they
activity,
keep on changing.
you will realize that
Let
as
us
the
try to
position of the
understand
table
the
changes,
reason behind which
the position of the shadow
Let us
also
try to
changes.
understand the reason
If the
behind
positions
this
of the
with the help of
sunrise
the
and
next
the sunset
activity on the horizon are observed for the whole year, you will realize that they keep on changing. Let us try to understand the reason behind this with the help of the next activity. Try this. Take a thick stick about 1.5 to 1.7 meter long. Keeping some distance, fix the stick near a wall that receives sunlight at the time of sunrise or sunset throughout the year. Remember that the stick has to be fixed at this spot for a period of about 1 year. After the observation, mark the position of the shadow for that date. If the position of the shadow changes, measure and note the distance between the earlier and the changed position. During the period of this activity, observe the place of sunrise and the sunset on the horizon as well. The next part of the lesson should be dealt with in the month of September. Study the duration of daytime and nighttime on the basis of observations from the table for the month of September. What was the direction of the shadow of the stick in the month of September? On which day was the duration of the day and the night the same? Think about it. If the position of the shadow on the wall moves towards the north, in which direction does the location of sunrise or sunset appear to shift? We will see the conclusion of our experiment in the second half of this lesson, that is chapter 8 afterwards. Before that, record the observations as explained above.